Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today, I will show you how to create an Instagram account. First, go to your phone's Play Store or App Store and install the Instagram app. Once installed, open the app. Now, select the Sign Up option. Enter your mobile number or email ID and click on Next. Set your name and password, then click Next. You'll be asked to add a profile picture. You can add it now or skip this step. And that's it. Your Instagram account is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.